What no eye has seen, what no ear has heard, what has not sunk in the hearts of men. You may question with me, what is that that eye has not seen? What is that that ear has not heard? What is that? Because it's like almost everything has been seen, has been heard. So what is that which eye has not seen, ear has not heard, has not entered the hearts of men? What is that? You see, these are the questions that I kept asking myself, questions that kept disturbing me. What is that that eye has not seen, ear has not heard? You see, so I began to ask questions. I began to ask the Lord, you see, the creator of all, what is that that eye has not seen? It's like everything eyes have seen, ears have heard. What is that that has not even entered the hearts of men? That is the thing I was questing for. That is the thing I was inquiring the Lord for decades. Now, that is what I come to give to the world. That which money cannot buy. Life. Life. I am the way, I am the truth, and I am the life. Jesus defined 3 pertinent things that people keep asking for. People ask for direction. People ask for what is truth? Where is truth? See, even Pilate asked this question, what is truth? People find what is life? What is the meaning of life? And all this Jesus defined. He went ahead to tell us about what eternal life is, as knowledge of the only true God and Jesus Christ whom he sent. See, these are questions. These questions cannot be answered because you read so many books, spirit to spirit. God bless you, but ask, seek, knock. Find yourself somewhere asking the Lord, not waiting for only what others have researched. What secret of God do you know?